AirAsia is the largest low-cost carrier and fourth largest airline in Asia. We have won the Skytrax Award for the world's best low-cost airline for 11 consecutive years. Asia Digital Engineering, or ADE for short, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Asia Group Berhad. ADE is said to be Asia's leading provider of engineering services for Asia groups of airlines as well as other commercial airlines in the region. Red Chain is a new secured facility that will act as a centralized warehouse location where the aircraft spares and components are managed and distributed within the region.
At Kardex Remstar, customer satisfaction is very important to us. Our focus is to deliver quality service and ensure our customer needs are met. Kardex Remstar's lifecycle service provides a holistic modular solution that guarantees the effective operation of our customer logistics and warehouse operations. We have well-trained service technicians based around the country to service our customers across various industries. With our remote support, our experts can directly diagnose errors on our equipment remotely. This provides a competitive advantage for companies at crucial times when travel is restricted or physical access to plants are not permissible to perform on-site repair.
Effective part management is crucial to our MRO operations. Having the right stock at the right time ensures uninterrupted production with no downtime. Kardex Remote Support Service is one of the factors we choose Kardex over other systems. Compared to traditional support, we are assured of fast reaction time and diagnosis in the event a malfunction occurs. Error can be resolved remotely, reducing the need for service technician to be on-site. The monitoring system in place helps minimize the risk of equipment failure. This saves us time and costly downtime.
By connecting equipment to our remote support service, which we call Kardex Connect, our experts can monitor and maintain your equipment remotely, giving you the competitive advantage to run your intra-logistics solutions at the highest possible uptime. Connection is established with the Kardex Secured Site Control. The Site Control is an industrial-grade PC, pre-installed software with world-renowned certification from TUV IT. We at Kardex Remstar understand that IT security is very critical in this day and age for our customers. All machine data is stored on the site control and is not accessible outside of our customer's network. If an issue arises, our customer may trigger a service request from the operating panel of the machine itself or using our Kardex Connect mobile app on their mobile phone. That is how easy it is for our customers to raise a service request. During the service request, a connection is created with the Kardex Central Server, where the site control initiates this connection.
Thanks to FlatCare service contract, we ensure our machines are well maintained. This gives us a peace of mind to operate our facility with minimal downtime. With a call or button away, a Kardex service technician is available within moments to assist us on our hardware and software issues. We are happy with Kardex system and digital service which in line with our Industry 4.0 transformation journey to embrace the future leveraging on the latest technologies while maintaining a high level of safety, quality and airworthiness of our fleet.